How to fix ESPN app not working.
Well, it might be because your application is not up to date. So in order to check it out, let's head over to App Store.
Once you are in here, in the source bar, you have to search for ESPN.
Head over to this app. Right here instead of open, if it shows the option of update, then your application is not up to date. And it might be one of the reasons that you are facing this issue. In this case, all you want to do is tap on update and update your application to the latest version. Once your application is up to date, now the next thing you want to do is head over to the settings of a device. Inside settings, head over to general. Proceed to iPhone storage. All the application that is available on a device will be visible.
You have to search for the application ESPN. Once you have find it, head over to it.
Tap on Offload app. Once again click on Offload app. Offloading app means clearing the cache and the storage of the application. It will remove all of the unwanted bugs and make your application run smoothly. It might also fix the issue that you have been facing in this app. But if you are still facing this issue, then what you want to do is uninstall the application and reinstall it again. Reinstalling the app will definitely fix the issue, and then you'll be good to go.
So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can fix ESPN app not working.
Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.